Hello, EdAd 530, and welcome to our next module. We are already starting on Module 7. Can't believe that it's already the beginning of October. I don't know about you, but it is cold here in Sioux Center. We actually have our furnace on in September. I hate doing that because I like to save money, but I also wouldn't mind being warm as well. So there we go, right? So I hope that you've had a good week and that you've enjoyed going through Module 6 and connecting with families. Let's check out Module 7, Connecting with the Community. This week's essential question: what can I learn about connecting with the community? Look at the required readings. The school relations book, there are 4 chapters to read through this week: 2, 7, 10, and 11. Supplemental reading, if you choose. School communications plans. I gave you several samples of those so you can kind of get a sense of what other schools are doing with their communication plan as they connect with others. The discussion board this week, similar to last week. What did you learn from the required reading? Comment, include things you learned, things you wondered. Make sure that your response is reflective and has one citation. Your response is due by Wednesday at midnight. Response to 2 others by Sunday at midnight. Our assignment for the week: a partnership and resources plan. It is becoming increasingly more important to be able to partner with community leaders, community resources as a school. First of all, it is just almost an expectation in many communities to be that kind of a leader. The second thing is it gets you resources for your students, for your families, for your teachers. And so I want you to be able to see what partnerships and resources are available and how can you use those to enhance student learning. All right, so you're going to use the word template that I have included here. The entire plan is 5 to 6 pages long, single-spaced. And basically read through the word template. I included what you need to do. So for example, number 1 needs to have a bulleted list, 5 paragraphs, 3/4 of a page to 1 page, a bulleted list, 2 paragraphs. So I gave you an example or an idea of how long it should be. So here's the word template. All you have to do is download it. Open up your Word template. And what I'm asking you to do is you just fill in the template, okay? So here's your bulleted list, here's the agency and the paragraph. Fill this out based on your situation, save it, and then upload it as your assignment. That's all you have to do. I want you to do more work on the thinking end of it and less work on the formatting and did I get everything finished. So you're just filling this out and then popping it up there. And then of course we also have our questions anyone section. Feel free to ask questions, shoot me an email with anything you could be needing some help with. All right, second to last module, hard to believe. We're going to connect with our community this week. Get some ideas on how you can build those relationships, and I hope that you have a great week.